fulfilled the dream even Jiraiya-sensei was unable to achieve.
Even I'm able to see that there's entirely too much hate in this shinobi world of ours.
As I said earlier, what I want is to create peace and bring about justice.
Create peace? Justice? Are you kidding? Give me a break! Killed my master! And my sensei! Hurt my friends! Destroyed my village! Don't you dare talk about peace and justice!
Oh, I see. That is noble of you. That would be justice. However, what about my family? My friends? My village? They suffered the same fate as this village at the hands of you, Hidden Leaf Ninja. How is it fair to let only you people preach about peace and justice? Feel pain, accept pain.